to go to practice. I was going to rehearsals with the band. At that time I was doing Roy Cape All Stars. Who know Roy Cape on the All Stars from Trinidad? Oh, there's Joe Trinidad. Long song I call it illegal too. So I decided that day that I was going to make an appeal with the Father in heaven. Now I wasn't in church, but I said, listen, this is how they talk about. Jesus, listen up. If you give me 3 years in the secular world, and I make a name for myself, I will come and serve you in the kingdom. That's all I said. That was it. By January 1st, now this happened in August of 1995. By January 1st of 1996, you want to say January 1st, I had the biggest song on the radio in Trinidad. You know what that song was? There you go. Anybody know that song? Moving to the left, hey! Right. That was my first hit song. So I said, all right, good. I followed it up the next year with another song called Awaken. Say it, man. Follow the leader, that's right. And then I drop a song with my brother called I Get the Urge. You know that song? And then I followed it up with the last song I followed up with 3 years was a song called Take That Back, Google It, right. And then the Lord reminded me. You don't forget me, not you. So see me now. I like myself too bad as a household name and I'm looking like everything going smooth and the Lord said, remember that deal you made? Speak that song, bingo. You all ready? So listen, when I slap, we going non-stop. And listen, I have CDs, I have DVDs for workout for those who want to keep fit and work out. I have t-shirts that say Extreme Praise. So we sell it all in that out in front. The CDs, I have a special going on. The CDs are $9.99. The DVD is $19.99. And the CD and the t-shirt is $19.99. You can't beat that. I'm taking EBT, BET, CBC. Oh, okay. Run the track on the side. Volume on. Listen. I have a very big car and it's always on my mind. That's why I do big things. There's nobody to say. Listen. Nobody can love me. I will pay you today. You supply. Hey. There's no one out for me. You take my soul, let me go. There ain't nothing in the world that you can't do. There is no replacement. It must have the right look, taste, and scent. If it don't look like love, joy, and peace, make sure you throw that in the rubbish heap. If it's not good and gentle, kind and faithful, handle it careful. In other words, be careful. If it don't have forbearance, don't give it no entrance. Get out of here! Should be your response. No self-control, start the ego. You must careful not to see your ego. It's
Let me put out a disclaimer. I have to put out a disclaimer. Ladies, when you are dancing and praising the Lord, you have to go side to side. You can't go all the way around. If you don't go all the way around, you backslide. One more, ladies and gentlemen.
Really?
Yes, Galan. Galan, one more.
You're tired?
Me tired too. Galan.
Ain't you tired? Okay, if you're tired, I want to see everybody stand up and come to the front now. See? Then I can say that you're running good. Run it. This game I'm praising overflow. Just watch me praise it. Just watch me praise it. I can take a heavy load.